What if I told you there's something sitting in your kitchen right now that could help reverse the aging process inside your cells? Not tomorrow, not next year, today. Imagine the possibility of waking up each morning with more energy, clearer skin, sharper focus, not because of an expensive treatment or a rare supplement, but because of a spice you may have casually sprinkled on your dinner last week without giving it a second thought. I'm talking about a humble yet extraordinary spice, one you've probably used without realizing its incredible, science backed power to protect and renew your cells from within. And here's the thing, ignoring it isn't just a missed opportunity. It could be quietly costing you years of vibrant, active, fulfilling life. This isn't hype, it's about real changes at the cellular level that researchers are studying right now. Please don't scroll away or think, this can wait. Every day matters when it comes to how your body ages. What I'm about to share could help you stay younger, longer, not just on the outside, but deep in the very structure of your body, from the inside out. I know how it feels to look in the mirror and wonder when that glow faded, when the brightness in your eyes seemed just a little less vivid than you remember. To feel your energy dip earlier in the day, even before lunch, leaving you longing for a nap when you used to power through with ease. To notice that your skin has lost some of its bounce, your joints are a bit more stubborn in the morning, and even your memory sometimes hesitates when you reach for a familiar word. These small shifts can feel unsettling. You are not alone in this, not by a long shot. Millions of people all over the world share these same quiet concerns, and many carry them silently, chalking it up to nothing more than just getting older. But here's a truth that might surprise you. Part of what you're experiencing isn't inevitable. It's not simply the passage of time. It's a process happening deep inside your cells in the way they repair, protect, and regenerate. The good news? You have more influence over it than you may think. Some of this cellular decline can be slowed down. Some of it can even be reversed. And there's a tool for that, a simple golden hued spice that's been studied for decades by scientists around the world. Research has shown it can calm damaging inflammation, shield your brain from age related decline, and even encourage your body to repair damaged cells from the inside out. Before I tell you exactly what it is and the best way to use it for maximum benefit, I need to share some critical warnings you shouldn't ignore. 1. Chronic inflammation is silently aging. Inflammation is your body's natural defense, the way your immune system rushes in to protect you when there's an injury or infection. In short bursts, it's essential. But when it doesn't turn off, when that protective flame keeps burning, it stops helping and starts hurting. Chronic inflammation quietly chips away at your health, damaging the very cells that keep you alive, shortening your telomeres, those tiny protective caps on your DNA that act like the plastic tips on shoelaces, and accelerating the entire aging process from within. The tricky part? Most people don't feel it happening. There's no obvious alarm bell, no sudden pain. It works in the background, often for years until the damage has already taken hold. 2. Oxidative stress is breaking you down. Every single day, whether you notice it or not, pollution in the air you breathe, the processed foods on your plate, and even the mental and emotional stress you carry trigger something called oxidative stress. It's as if invisible sparks are flying inside your body, slowly corroding your cells like rust forming on metal. Only this rust is attacking living tissue. This slow burn eats away at vital proteins, the healthy fats your body needs, and even the delicate strands of your DNA. Over time, that internal damage begins to show up on the outside and in how you feel. Fine lines deepen into wrinkles, afternoon energy slumps turn into persistent fatigue, moments of forgetfulness creep into daily life, and your long term risk for serious diseases quietly climbs higher. 3. Your diet might be feeding the problem. Sugar, fried foods, and excessive red meat can work like fuel for the internal fires of inflammation and oxidative stress, pushing your body toward faster aging and greater disease risk. The problem isn't always the obvious treats or fast food either. Even if you think you're eating healthy, there can be hidden sugars tucked into sauces, dressings, and so called energy snacks. Processed oils, often lurking in packaged foods, baked goods, and restaurant meals, can quietly erode the health of your cells, making them more vulnerable to damage. Over time, these invisible dietary saboteurs chip away at your resilience, leaving your body less able to repair itself and more likely to show the early signs of aging. 4. You might be missing critical anti aging nutrients. Many of us simply don't get enough of the natural compounds that act as guardians for our cells, quietly protecting and repairing the delicate structures that keep us alive and thriving. These compounds, often found in colorful fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices, help neutralize harmful molecules and support the repair of daily wear and tear at a microscopic level. Without them, your body is left exposed, like a fortress with its walls slowly crumbling, vulnerable to every storm and strike that comes its way. It's a little like trying to fight a fire with an empty bucket. No matter how determined you are, you just don't have the resources to win. Over weeks, months, and years, that lack adds up, leaving your cells weaker, your system slower, and your overall resilience diminished. The saddest part? Many people don't even realize they're missing these vital nutrients until their health begins to falter. That's where turmeric comes in. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound shown in studies to fight inflammation, neutralize free radicals, and even switch on genes that help your body repair itself. And it's not exotic. It's not expensive. You might already have it in your spice rack. But using turmeric the wrong way means you won't get these benefits. So here's how to make it work for you. 1. Pair turmeric with black pepper. Curcumin alone is notoriously difficult for your body to absorb effectively, meaning much of it can pass through without ever delivering its full benefits. However, nature offers a simple solution, a compound in black pepper called piperine. Piperine can boost curcumin absorption by as much as 2,000%, transforming a modest dose into a powerful health ally. The best part? You don't need much. Just a pinch of freshly ground black pepper alongside your turmeric can open the door for your body to truly take in and use what this golden spice has to offer. 2. Add healthy fats. Curcumin is fat soluble, which means it dissolves best in fat rather than water. This is why simply sprinkling turmeric into a glass of water won't give you the full benefit. When you cook turmeric with healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, or even mash it into avocado, you create the perfect environment for your body to absorb and use it more effectively. Those fats act like carriers, helping curcumin travel through your digestive system and into your bloodstream, where it can start doing its work, calming inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. 3. Use it daily in small doses. You don't need massive amounts. The real secret is consistency. Even a modest amount, about a quarter to half a teaspoon of turmeric each day, can have a cumulative effect on your health. Sprinkle it into soups, stir it into teas, or blend it into smoothies so it becomes a natural part of your routine. Over time, these small daily servings can help keep inflammation in check, giving your body steady support rather than occasional boosts. It's not about doing more all at once, but about showing up for your health a little bit every single day. Choose quality sources. Not all turmeric powders are created equal, and the difference can significantly affect how well it works for your health. When choosing turmeric, aim for organic varieties to avoid pesticides and harmful additives. More importantly, check the label for the curcumin content, the active compound responsible for turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ideally, select turmeric powders that contain at least 5% curcumin or higher to ensure potency. Lower quality turmeric may have fillers or be diluted, which reduces its effectiveness. Investing in a high quality turmeric means you're giving your body the best chance to benefit from this golden spice's healing properties. Take a moment and really think about how your body feels right now. Have you noticed signs like unexplained fatigue that makes it hard to get through the day? Maybe stiffness in your joints that wasn't there before, or a kind of mental fog that makes it difficult to concentrate or remember simple things. These symptoms might seem small or easy to ignore, but they are your body's way of sending signals that something needs attention. I want you to understand this important truth. You're not broken. Your body is amazing and it's constantly working behind the scenes, trying to repair itself and keep you healthy. Sometimes it just needs a little help. The right tools to support its natural healing power. You don't have to face this journey alone. In fact, there are thousands of people out there, just like you, who are making small, manageable changes every day to feel more vibrant, to regain energy, and to add quality years to their lives. This community is here to support you. If you've tried turmeric before or if you're just starting to explore it now, I encourage you to share your experience in the comments below. What changes did you notice? Physically, mentally, or emotionally? Your story could be the motivation someone else needs to take their first step toward better health. We're all in this together. Remember, chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are silent. They don't always cause pain right away, but they are quietly stealing your energy, your clarity, and your youth. Turmeric isn't a magic pill, but when used right, it's a simple, science backed way to fight back. You can start today with what's already in your kitchen. Let's take a moment to quickly review the most important points we've covered today. First, chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are powerful forces that speed up the aging process at the cellular level, the very foundation of your health. These invisible processes quietly wear down your body over time, showing up as fatigue, wrinkles, and increased risk of disease. Second, your diet and the nutrients you may be missing can either help protect you or make the problem worse. Foods high in sugar, processed oils, and excess red meat fuel inflammation and oxidative damage. On the flip side, getting the right antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds is essential to keep your cells strong. Third, turmeric, especially when paired with black pepper and healthy fats, is a natural science-backed way to fight back against this damage. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, works best when your body can absorb it fully, and these simple combinations make that happen. Finally, consistency matters more than quantity. Small daily doses of turmeric are far more effective than taking large amounts sporadically. Building this into your everyday routine can create lasting change over time. So here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to your breakfast. Try it in scrambled eggs blended into a smoothie or warmed in golden milk. Do this every day for the next 30 days and pay attention to how your body responds. If you found value in this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss future health tips. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, share this video with them right now. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's a gift to everyone who loves you. Stay healthy, stay strong, and never forget, your best years are still ahead of you.